If you're feeling stale and musty, and perchance a bit rusty, there's only one thing you can do. Try something new that's true to you. Which could mean nibbling on a cashew while petting your cockatoo, or concocting a brew for an impromptu barbecue. While you're at it, you could learn kung fu and brush up on your knowledge of the Battle of Waterloo. So what if your neighbors look at you askew? They wish they were having half as much fun as you. Yes, one of them did just learn how to play the didgeridoo, but that can hardly be compared to an overnight flight to Machu Picchu or a rendezvous in Kalamazoo, where you can order fondue at an all-night drive-thru. I admit that bit about the fondue drive-thru may not be entirely true, but I'll bet you a slew of lucky horseshoes that with a hullabaloo and a dollop of daring do, you're gonna do something new and you'll feel anything but blue.